afternoon, Ronald Santiago is accused in the murder of an Albuquerque couple. He's also the former loan officer who defrauded another Albuquerque couple of more than $250,000. Well, today he entered a guilty plea this morning in district court.
As a result, he's looking at up to 13.5 years for those fraud charges. News 13's David Romero is live in the Newsplex with more. David?
Mike, this case is important for prosecutors in the murder trial. They believe if they could get or prove this case, rather, they can also prove he was defrauding John and Bernadette Olemaker, and killed the couple to cover it up. Now, Santiago had been set to go to trial for embezzlement, but took a guilty plea deal instead on 4 counts of forgery and 1 count of at least tampering with evidence. Now, Santiago admitted in court today that while he was working at Countrywide Mortgage in 2006, he passed off forged checks to Catherine and Matthew Howard. He also admitted to destroying computer documents connected to the altered checks. In a separate case, Santiago was accused of murdering John and Bernadette Olemaker in 2005. Prosecutors say Santiago allegedly swindled the Olemakers in a refinancing deal, then killed them to cover up the crime. Today in court, District Judge Pat Murdoch stressed that the 2 cases are separate and that the Olemaker case is still pending on going to trial. One of the victims from today's case was in court and said Santiago is, quote, a menace to society, and he should pay for what he's done in both cases.
I'm more interested in seeing justice for the Olemakers.
Certainly nobody in Albuquerque has been subjected to greater scrutiny than he. We think all of those things the court needs to take into account, at the time of sentencing.
The state requested a pre-sentence report before Santiago is sentenced in August. His attorney is hoping for probation. Mike, back to you.
Okay, David, thank you. Santiago has been out on bond for the last 5 years.